Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to create a backup for Hostinger. First of all, I will need you to go to your browser, go to the URL section and search for Hostinger. So, brief introduction for Hostinger for those who doesn't know what it does. Basically, it's a platform that gives you a bunch of services from hosting. As you can see here, they have like pretty decent hostings with pretty good amounts, and they give you like a really good amount of features, and yeah, you can get whatever you like, but the one that I highly suggest you guys to get is this one with $4. It came with $4 of course, with saving of 73% and 2 months for free, so that's really good. And of course all the features that come with it are insane guys. Now, how we can actually get a backup for our website or hosting or whatever it is. So first of all, you have to get the hosting so you can get whatever you'd like from these. So this tutorial will only work with hosting. It will not work with email or VPS. Now let's click on login after we get our hosting. And basically guys, you can get the hosting also from the H panel, which is the C panel of Hostinger. You can get it from here, so click on hosting and choose whatever hosting you'd like from these. Of course, there is from the cheapest to the most expensive one, which is this one. It is which is for the enterprises one. So if you have like a small business, you don't really have to buy this one because it's really expensive. It's like about $30 per month. It will be like really expensive per year. So now, what should we do in case we wanted to create a backup? Well, if you have a website connected to the hosting and Hostinger, all you need to do is go to the Hostinger hosting and then click export files, and you will get a backup for your websites. If not, if you had your website or domain name connected to WordPress, what you could do guys is simply go to plugins and here search for all-in-one plugin and go all the way down, and here it is. Now all you need to do is download, activate it, and then import all the files or export all the files that you have in your website, and it will have create a backup for your site. So guys, that's what it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.